And so there we have it with the double sheet wonder with gift bags. So I'm going to show you the final haul of all the projects that we did with the double sheet wonder. So first of all, you've got your gift bag. That's from the A pieces, right? And from the A pieces, we cut out two squares, two flaps that we didn't need, and we made that card with it. So nice and simple. So that's card number one. Well, from the A cards. I'm going to just put it in here for now. See if I can do that. Oh, it's a little bit tight. We'll see how we go. Okay, and then B pieces, we covered a notebook with that. And if you didn't want to cover a notebook, or the other piece you didn't want to do notebook, you can make a card with that. So we've got these two pieces, and so that goes in here. I might just leave that at the end. Okay, and then the C pieces, we made these two cards from it, right? Nice and cool. So those are the two pieces. And then the D pieces, we made these two cards. I don't know how you can see it. There's that, and then there's that. Alright, so put those in here. And then we have the E pieces, which was that and that. Oops, I just dropped my little butterfly. Oh, because it wasn't stuck on very well. Here we go. That's better with the little cool little butterfly. And those are our E cards. And therefore you get to see this is going to be such a cool gift bag now. Look at all the things that can fit in there, right? So there are 10 items in there from our double sheet wonder. Who will not like one of these bags? Alright, so I hope you enjoy and you give it a go with this double sheet wonder, and let me know how you go. We have so many DSPs, so many designer series papers in our Stampin' Up offering. So and if you are like a lot of people having a lot of retired DSPs, so this is a really cool way of just using them up and having a bunch of these for quick gifts and very practical gifts, and I know people will appreciate it. So thank you very much for joining me and watching, and hopefully you find the double sheet wonder helpful. Cheers.